Today we're going to look at area model and standard algorithm for multiplication. So let's look at the problem 75 multiplied by 42. And we're going to set this up in the area model, and we're going to use the standard algorithm to connect the two. So for the area model, the first step is to draw a rectangle. Okay. And now I'm going to break apart my number to ones. So the value of my ones is 5. The value of my tens is 70. Now I look at my next number here. The value of my ones is 2. And the value of my tens is 40. Now the boxes are proportional to the number. They don't need to be exact, they just need to be relative. The 5 should be smaller than the 70 and the 2 should be smaller than the 40. I'm going to switch colors to make it a little easier to see. So now let's work it out in the area model and then we'll connect it to the algorithm. So 2 multiplied by 5, well that is 10. 2 multiplied by 70 is 140. And 10 plus 140 is 150. So that's what I got when I distributed my 2 to the 5 and the 70. So now let's look at the algorithm. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So I put my 0 here. Now 10 ones become a 10, so I'm going to move that over. 7 or 70 multiplied by 2 is 140 plus my 10 is 150. And if you notice, those two lines are identical. Now let's switch over and look at our tens. 40 multiplied by 5 is 200. And 40 multiplied by 70 is 2,800. And if I add those lines together there, that's 3,000. And now let's try it on the algorithm. I'm going to cross this one off because I'd already used that to get my 150. 4 multiplied by 5. Well, what we have to remember here before we start is we're in the tens place here. So we need to put a 0 right here to move us over to the tens place. So 4 or 40 times 5 is 200. 0. My 2 comes over. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. 29, 30. Bring my 3, and then it comes down. And I'm going to notice these two lines are identical. And now I need to add my 2 rows. So 0, 5, 1, and 3. So 150 plus 3,000 is 3,150, which is the same as what my area model told me. So this is the connection between the area model and standard algorithm. So if you set it up, breaking apart the ones, the value of the ones and the tens, the value of the ones and the tens, this will tell you, and then this row equals your top row in your algorithm. The second row will equal your second row in your algorithm. And you can extend this area model to mirror 3- and 4-digit algorithms also. Thank you.